Oh my god. Okay, Andrew.
No.
Okay, come on, let's go. Come on. I'm making a run for it. Come on, let's go.
I don't think we're gonna make it. But I'm gonna try.
Oh god. Oh jeez. Where are my watermelons at?
Speed it up.
Dude, I don't understand how there was so many mobs at one time and now there's barely any. I don't understand that at all.
Are you coming up?
There's 1,000 mobs chasing me, so I don't think I can at the moment.
I'm going up, man.
Alright, I'm coming up. But the monsters are coming up with me, okay?
Oh, man.
I'm sorry.
Oh, man, there's a skeleton up here. I just knocked it down. There it goes. Are you coming up?
There's so many creepers.
Are you coming up?
Andrew, I can't at the moment.
Oh, I'm sorry, but you guys stay down there. Is there any more gold? Can't find any more gold. Do you have any spare gold?
I can't check right now because there's a creeper right here. Baby, come back. You can blame it all on me.
Dang! To make a cake, you need all kinds of stuff. Wheat, sugar, egg. Without water?
Yo, it's almost daytime.
Are they all gone?
No, they're not all gone, exactly.
Need help?
Yes,
You can go down there?
yes.
Alright, if I die,
I died, never mind.
okay, I'm not going down there.
And all of my stuff probably disappeared because the creeper blew it up, probably.
No, I fell down. You pushed me down.
Oh, great. Now all the slimes are starting to spawn. Oh my god. All my stuff is still here, actually, though.
Come back up.
Trying to, dude.
Oh, you just set something on fire up here. It's on fire. I don't know. Something up here. Coming up?
Yeah, just wait a sec.
Oh, I see you. I see you from the, up here.
Fighting a slime right
You're
now.
trying to kill that big one. Dang, the little ones from up here look like little ants.
And the Enderman is teleporting around me. Jeez.
about to die, aren't you?
There's a slime right behind me, isn't there?
I can't see it, but the big one, like, it's kind of far away. Come on.
Oh, I can't even hurt it. Wow, what the heck?
Dude, I think the coast is clear to come up here.
I know, but just I gotta kill this slime.
All going down.
Come on, hurry up, slime. Just, I mean health. Come on, health regenerate. Come on.
Oh, never mind. There's a creeper down there. Like right below me. I would help you, but. Where are you at? I see it. Come on, now go. Oh, no, the creeper's still here, man.
Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. My goodness, there's so many. Finally got rid of the big one though.
Oh, it's in a big slime. There's zombies, man. It's like 3 zombies and 2 creepers and a big slime. Holy cow, there's tons of slime.
I know, there's so many slimes, dude.
Enderman. Oh, there's an Enderman. It's teleported.
Oh, I see him, he's right there.
I don't know what to say, man.
Oh god, now there's 2 big ones chasing me.
Good luck with that.
Well, I could use a little bit of help, Andrew.
Good.
Andrew, seriously, help me, dude, seriously.
I think
Dude, seriously, they're cornering me, dude.
I'm coming as fast as I can. I wanna fall and just die again. Oh man, I got hurt when I fell. Where are you at? Holy cow! I'm getting circled.
Dude, over here! Can you see me?
Yeah, I got this.
Dude, I really need your help.
Down.
Please, Andrew.
I found rotten flesh as well. Get over here. Get over here, little fly.
Andrew, help me! The big slimes is what you need to kill. Hit him like one time with your sword. Don't kill them all with your sword, dude.
Find my stone sword.
No, don't kill him with. Yeah, with your stone sword. Yeah, that's right.
Oh, I just died. Get my stuff and give it to me when I'm going down.
Oh my god. I'll try to. Oh my god.
Going down. Back. Because I want my stuff back. Stupid slime. Did you get my stuff?
I can't. There's so many of them. Oh my god. Dude. Andrew. Oh my god. No. Dude, don't get my stuff. Just leave it there.